Hey everyone, are you a full-time RVer struggling with internet connectivity and cell service while on the road? You are not alone. Today we wanted to tell you why we chose Starlink and how it's worked out for us. And we have a special tip that is easy but not intuitive to make it work better for you too. We cannot overstate the importance of connectivity, and we would love to hear your stories in the comments. We told previously about receiving a call from a very upset family member saying she had been trying to reach us for days. We had no idea. When we set off from Tucson in 2013, we had Verizon phones with built-in hotspots that worked fine for us the whole first summer. We planned to spend our second winter at Havasu Springs Resort on Lake Havasu, but we were unaware of the connectivity issues we would face. The phones didn't work, neither did the hotspots.
It was frustrating and expensive. We would find a solution one season and then it would not work the next season. We bought several hotspots from Verizon, AT&T, T-Mobile. We even bought a trucker antenna from Wilson Electronics. I think we bought every product that WeBoost ever made. Each and every time the new product would work for a while and then stop. Not good when you have a business. Once we started our fishing guiding business in Lake Havasu, HavasuNet'em.com in 2018, things got real sketchy, stressful. We got Starlink as soon as it was available in our part of Arizona, and it has been a game changer. Life is so much simpler these days. We got it in October 2022. It is plug and play. While some users report issues, we've had a seamless experience. Last summer, we were in 13 parks in Washington and Idaho, and it worked every time.
So, here's the tip I promised. We knew Starlink was not a cell service solution, but I figured if we could just use Wi-Fi calling on our phones, that would solve the problem. But I couldn't get it to work dependably, and I finally learned I was missing a step. In your phone settings, we have Android. You enable Wi-Fi calling, but then you need to click on the Wi-Fi feature, not just turn it on. And under Roaming Network Preference, click Wi-Fi Preferred. If you don't do that, your cell provider will always attempt to use your local cell rather than your Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching. If you find our content helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more RV-related content, and drop your own internet connectivity tips in the comments below. And if my tip works on an iPhone, please let me know. Safe travels, and may your connections always be strong.